Scale an image to its real size. First of all, select the attached image and find the scale in the properties bar. It is 1 and the unit system is in millimeter. To verify, you should go to Tool, Coordinate System and click on Coordinate System. Choose Unit. Now you can verify that the unit system is set to millimeter. Click OK. Next, we should find the scale ratio in the title blocks tab. As you can see, there is no scale ratio mentioned. The second option for you to match the scale of the drawing is to take a reference from a dimension and scale the drawing. To do that, it is recommended that you should choose the maximum dimension, the maximum valued dimension on the drawing to get the accurate result. In this case, we are going to choose the dimension value 222 millimeters. Just to verify, if we draw one orthogonal line like this, I will try to adjust the line, and now I'm going to make an offset of the line, offset, and the offset distance will be 222 millimeter. So now it is coming close to the end of the dimension line, but this is not accurate. So the entire drawing is not accurate in terms of dimension. To eliminate this dimensional error, you have to scale the drawing. To do that, you should go to Tool, again, Coordinate System, and you should click on this new coordinate system icon. If you click on that, you will create a new coordinate system, and you should choose this scale icon to measure the on-page distance. So on this case, we can say from this to this is a 289.69 millimeter. Round figure, you can make it something 290 millimeter. Now 290 millimeter is in actual, it should be 222 millimeters, right? So this is the equation. Now we should click OK. The application will adjust and the image will be scaled, right? Now if we select the image, as you can see, it is no more 1. So the scale ratio is changed. Now if we make another offset with the same 222 millimeters, it should be exactly on the line. So the entire drawing is properly scaled now. So now you can use any dimension. Now let's try to make another offset, but this time the offset distance will be 90 millimeter. So this is correct. One more. Offset distance will be 52 millimeter. So this is correct now. So this is how you can scale any image you are attaching into WiseImage.